So today we will start with screening test, right? First test is your OIR test. Your performance in reasoning, verbal as well as non-verbal reasoning test should be good enough. If you are looking for a career in armed forces, 3-4 important things what we are looking. So first requirement is your comfortability with language. Second is your IQ level. A youngster need to be very good with his IQ level. Especially when we talk about entry like TS 10+2. We expect 85-90% from you. Third is your general awareness. You should be updated with what things are happening all around you. National level as well as international level. Fourth is your liveliness. एक अच्छा जिंदा दिल यंगस्टर, खुश मिजाज, मुस्कुराता हुआ चेहरा, हंसते हुए. And I can assure you, अगर ये 3-4 चीजें आपके अंदर अच्छी मिलती हैं, 9 out of 10 times you will be recommended by selection board. Never try to show your perfection. No one is perfect in this world. Try to remain a good raw material who will be shaped into a good officer in next 4-5 years. Don't try to show that you are a good officer now and for that selection board will recommend you. My point is clear to you, all of you. Today what we are going to practice is your screening test. This test will be divided into 2 phases. First part will be your verbal and non-verbal reasoning test, out of which your OIR grading will be decided. OIR will be divided into 5 categories. OIR 1 means outstanding performance of any individual. OIR 2 is excellent level of performance. OIR 3 is very good level of performance. OIR 4 is acceptable performance. Where OIR 5, being the poorest one, will be considered below average performance of any youngster. So where you would like to stand? It should be 1 or 2? 1? Yes, sir. Okay. Second phase of this test will be PPDT picture. We'll project a picture. This picture will remain little bit blur or hazy. As the name of this test is perception. Perception means how do you interpret a picture shown to you? And it also means almost 50% of the message will be conveyed by picture, 50% will be your involvement. ठीक है? आधा मैसेज पिक्चर से कन्वे किया जाता है और लगभग आधा आपको खुद इन्वॉल्व होना पड़ता है, इसीलिए इसको परसेप्शन बोलते हैं. This picture will remain on screen for 30 seconds. You will be getting a sheet. इस तरीके की एक शीट होगी आपको जो दी जाएगी. You will be finding a box, action, and then a space to write story. You have to fill up this box. How many characters you had seen there? What was their gender? Write M if you consider the gender was male. Write F if you consider the gender was female. You have to write approximate age of the character as well as mood of the character. make a plus mark if you consider your character is in positive mood. Make a minus mark or negative mark if you think your character is in negative mood. You are free to write N, neutral. So after analyzing how many characters you had seen in this picture, marking them in this box, you have to circle the main character. जो आपको लगता है कि आपके स्टोरी का मेन कैरेक्टर होगा, उसको सर्कल करना है. And what all things are happening there? What was the action shown to you? You have to write in 3 to 4 words. Subject. Clear? Then you have to frame an imaginary story. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, sir. Anyone who would like to ask me any question? कोई सवाल नहीं है किसी का? सभी के पास 2-2 शीट हैं OMR की. राइट, सेट A एंड सेट B. अभी ये बुकलेट कोई खोलेगा नहीं जब तक बोला नहीं जाएगा. Number of questions in set A are 60 and in set B 55. Right?
Yes, sir.
I'll be giving you a time of 30 minutes. And your time starts now. No additional time will be given to you for filling up OMR sheet. तो साथ साथ भरते जाइएगा. Again, a time of 30 minutes and your time starts now. So now you have to watch this picture for 30 seconds for filling up box and writing action. I'll give you 1 minute of additional time. Anyone who completes this process before 1 minute will not start writing story unless I don't ask you to do so. Right? After that 1 minute, I will be giving you a time of 4 minutes to write an imaginary story. 1 minute to fill up the box and write action. Start. So now you all have written a story. So start narrating your story one by one, starting from right of your group. When you will be narrating a story, you need not to look towards us. You will be addressing your group members. You need not to get up. Right?
Yes.
Start.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I had seen 6 characters in my story. The main character of my story is Ashok, whose age is near about 16 years, and his gender is male, and its mood is positive. According to my story, Ashok is basically hail from the Mumbai Maharashtra, and he is a cadet of NCC. When his school decided to launch a campus in a virtually village, then he went for this, and when they launched their campus in a virtually village, at that time they discussed in their group. Ashok noticed that one boy is noticing them from behind the tree, and when they asked them why you are noticers, at that time he said that he is desired for education, but as he is of the local type, he is of the local tribe of Gadchiroli, so he cannot do this. So Ashok and his team had helped him, and after that he enjoys school life. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. What I perceive from the picture is that total characters are 5. My main character is Raj. So one day they got the news that, and their ages are between 17 to 19, and their mood is positive. And the one who is looking from behind the tree is neutral. So one day they got the news that they are recommended for the selected for the SPA. It's their dream to join the defense forces from the child. So they plan to make a preparation for the self-defense on their own. They find a place where they can prepare for mainly the G2 task. Raj's friend Sham refused to join them as he wanted to prepare on its own. So while they were preparing,
Given picture is that there are 6 boys, there are 5 boys who have come from Arunachal Pradesh to Shimla for a 5-night camp, in which they were at that time they were enjoying in the 5 camp night. They were enjoying at the night, but one tribal boy was looking at them and asking for the hand in his own language, but they didn't understand. So they take out their book language which they brought from the home, and as the information given by tribal boy was that there are some uncertain activities going on forest which must be stopped at that moment. The boys are on that place where they have seen some spears and hunting tools which was unauthorized by the government, and the forest is a specially reserved forest. They look at the map where the administrator of the government, where administrator of the forest was located. They go there and tell them what the things are happening in the forest. By the time they were searching out the person who was doing that, they seen the nature very beautifully, and the unexpected things were seen by them of the ecosystem. They see lots of birds and all. By the time they also find that the person who was doing uncertain activities which were banned by the government, and get them arrested by the forest department team.
I observed 6 characters in the image. All were male, and their moods are positive. Their age was about 15 to 17 years. Anupam is the main character of my story. One day when Anupam is a young energetic student of St. David's High School, Adalpur. One day when he was going to school, he noticed that his classmates, his 5 classmates sitting in a garden. And then he thought why they are sitting in garden in school dress, they are not going to school. They went there and tried to listen them. They are behind the trees. He said that they plan to bunk the class and go to water park. Then he came out and tell then he came out and tried to convey everyone his friend. But everyone refused him and say, please say Anupam to come in his group. And
Good afternoon, gentlemen. What I have perceived in the story consists of 5 characters. 2 of them are male, 1 is female, and 2 of them are children. All are in a positive mood, and the main character of my story is Amit. He was a college professor, and despite having a busy schedule, he decided to take his family for a picnic. At the picnic, he made very good arrangements for a very good picnic, and there he told the children about the various flowers and animals, and told them about the importance of biodiversity for mankind. And there they enjoyed a lot and learned very good things from the picnic. And Amit was very happy to show his family happy. Thank you.
Okay. We will be giving you a time of 10 minutes to go for a group discussion and reach on a common story. Your time starts now.
Okay, gentlemen, let's focus on about the age of and members and the background. Okay.
Gentlemen, first we should focus on theme.
No, first age, character, mood, and background.
I think there were 5 characters. And then they all are in
Most of our feel that the plot of the story could be helping someone. Now, background of the scene is the between 60 to 20 years. Okay, and she's there. Plot of the story could be helping someone. Okay, let's go on plot of the story. Now we talk about the plot of the story. Why the plot of the story?
I appreciate 186.
The 5 main characters were planning for the cutting of the tree, and the gang who are calling the fisher for gang. Okay, let's go on plot of the story. Plot of the story could be in someone. Okay, let's go on plot of the story. Now we talk about the plot of the story.
I appreciate 186.
The 5 main characters were planning for the cutting of the tree, and the gang who are calling the fisher for gas. Okay, gentlemen.
So the action will be at deforestation. I strongly agree with your point, but we can add some more points in that. So we can discuss some more points that we can point of view of deforestation.
Please add some more valuable points in deforestation.
We add like saving animals.
Your discussion now. Any one of you can give us common story.
So common story that there were 6 main characters. One was a young boy, about 11 years of age, who belonged to a local tribe in the forest, and others were a group of young boys, or especially NCC cadets, who were studying in a school. So they were on a camp. Now they were informed by the young boy that there have been smuggling, deforestation, and various illegal activities taken in the forest. So all the boys decided to take an action against it, and they all prepared a report with proper evidence, and they all moved towards the senior department of the forest, and they all informed them. After that, actions were taken against these, and a local police station was developed in that particular area in order to keep an eye on all the situation which is taking place in that particular area. Thank you.